Hi everyone, good evening. So this is a very important session on the great Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematicians who's ever lived on earth in the recent times. Who was Ramanujan? What were his accomplishments and why does it matter in today's context? Why do we need more of Ramanujans in today's world, today's era? And why has India not been able to produce a lot more of these kind of mathematician, right? So this is what we're going to discuss. Let us get started. So he was one of the kind, and what made his accomplishments great was the fact that he had no formal coaching, right? He was competing against the greatest of mathematicians of all times at his time with no formal coaching. He was competing with people who had done masters, who had done PhDs, who were in the best math college. They were being trained by the best math professors against someone who did everything on his own without any formal coaching. So this is something which makes it even more remarkable. He was born in a very poor Tamil Nadu village, but he was able to create 3,000 math theorems on his own. A lot of these theorems are still being explored. A lot of these theorems, अभी बहुत सारे ऐसी theorems हैं जो उन्होंने लिखी हुई हैं, but again we have not been able to explore those theorems even till now. He sent his work when he was small. He sent his work to Cambridge. He shocked the global math community at that point of time. One of the greatest mathematicians at that point of time, G.H. Hardy, he of course called him to England, to Cambridge, and he collaborated with Ramanujan, and despite little access to the textbooks, this pair, this jodi, G.S. Hardy and Ramanujan, became one of the most formidable mathematics pair in the modern history. He has been able to produce deep results in number theory, partitions, infinite series. In fact, one of the things that he did, partitions, I made a session on that also. You can see this session. Ramanujan primes, Ramanujan theta functions are something जो कि अभी modern mathematics का एक बहुत common हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. And of course, the greatest mathematician, one of the greatest mathematicians, Hardy, said the greatest natural genius I have ever seen. This was what Ramanujan was. He died pretty early because of illness, but again, there's a great movie made on Ramanujan. You should all watch that movie, The Man Who Knew Infinity. And of course, you'll definitely get inspired by that particular movie. Now, why is this important in today's context, particularly in India? ऐसा क्या है? ऐसा क्या है? So of course, a lot of things we get to learn, what students can learn is pure curiosity is much better than the structured curriculum. We should get beyond the textbooks, right? So this is what this channel is also standing for. Right, so we should definitely explore much beyond what is given in the textbooks. In textbooks, of course, the content that you see is already rationalized, and you should definitely try to explore. In fact, the first series that I took on this particular channel 5 years back, it was called Beyond Textbooks. Right, so you should definitely be exploring a lot of things. We, on our part, try our best to give you the best kind of content which is not there in the textbook, but you should know, and of course, you should also try to explore. Struggle is always a part of greatness. Of course, being from a very poor village, having no resources, having accomplished something which, and even centuries later, his name is going to be there. Right, centuries later, a lot of his theorems are definitely going to get explored more, and his name is definitely going to be there centuries later. So struggle is always a part of greatness. Explore, ask why, try things on your own. This is something which is very important and every student should learn. Take care. God bless you. We need more Ramanujans, and that is definitely something that is definitely going to happen in the near future. God bless.